Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I will share with you how you can make 1000 naira daily, guys, every single day. You just need to put in some work and you will be earning 1000 naira every day, guys. So stick with me to the end of the video to show you how you can do it, because I'll be sharing with you the platform. This platform is really paying people, so you need to join the platform right now for you to start earning, guys. You just need to do some micro tasks for you to get paid. It's very easy, guys. So I will do everything. This is a full tutorial on how you can get started, how you can sign up, and how you can do the task, guys. So let's dive into the video. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please smash the red subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so that you won't miss any video when I drop it on this channel, guys. So if you want to join my WhatsApp group, the link is also in the description. You can join my WhatsApp group. I drop free updates on how you can make money every single day, guys. So join the WhatsApp group and also contact me if you have any questions regarding this platform, and also comment below if you are any of this platform, guys. So let's continue with the video. So the platform I'm going to be looking at today is called nairaworker. So click on the link in the description. I will take you to this place. This sign up form. Let me go back. Once you click the link, it will take you to this register form. It's very easy to sign up. So you put in your name, indicate your gender, is that you're a male or a female. So put your email. Then the referral code is also in the description. You can copy it and paste it right here. Put in your password, confirm your password, and click on sign up. So I already have an account on this platform. I will just log into my account. I'm still having a pending balance of 14 naira, so I will just wait for to get it. So you can see you can also hire many workers if you want. If you don't want to complete any job and you want to we want someone to complete the job for you, you can hire some people to do things for you on this platform, and you can also perform some more tasks, simple tasks, and get payment, guys. So let me show you how you can do jobs for you to get started. So first of all, you have to go to your profile in case you want to change anything, or you want to this is the ID you send to the person if you want to refer it, guys. So you sign this is your ID if you want to refer your friends to sign up on this platform. Also, if you want them to also inform the platform, you can also copy the referral link and give it to them. You can also copy your referral link and give it to them to sign up. So you can see it's very easy. Let me show you how you can perform the little task and get paid, guys. So you just click on available jobs. So click on available job, it will load up a B. So once you click on available jobs, you can earn 14 naira just to complete this offer, and 7 naira just to complete this offer, 125 naira just to complete these simple offers, guys. Just to follow and like on Facebook, you will get 25 naira. So you can see these are a bunch of offers. Yes, you can see these are a bunch of offers, even up to the one that pays you 599 naira just to do a simple task, guys. So you can sign into this platform where you can start complete this task, and I show you a day. If you put in some work, some effort, you will get up to $1,000, up to 1,000 naira, sorry, up to 1,000 naira on this platform. I'm used to dollar side, so that's why I mentioned dollar. So you can get up to 1,000 naira on this platform, guys. So if you put in just some work and a little time. So that'll be all for this video, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you want to see more of this content, please kindly comment below, and so that I'll be encouraged to produce more videos for you guys. And also subscribe on this channel, subscribe for more videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace.